We'll guide you through how to import contacts from Gmail to an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've got a lot of contacts in your Gmail or Google, and so you want to go and get them onto your iPhone. If I go and open up my contacts app, you'll go and see I just have one here. As you can see, that's it. And so I've come from having an Android and I've got a lot of contacts from there. So I want to go and get them on my iPhone. This is much easier than you probably think, so we'll guide you through this step by step. Make sure it is full guide so you know what you're doing. So let's come out of our contacts app like so. Now you need to come and find the settings app on your iPhone. You can always drag down and go and search for settings to go and find it and open it up. Now you need to go and scroll all the way down to the bottom and you need to go and find the option for apps here. In apps, you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the contacts option. As you can see, here it is. And then you want to go and tap on it like so. Now you want to come and find contacts accounts and you need to go and tap there. Here you can go and press add account. And what you want to do is go and find Google, same as Gmail. So go and tap there and press open browser. Now your web browser will go and open up and you need to go and sign into your Google account that you want to go and get the contacts from. So in this case, I've got my account here, which I'll go and sign in with. You may need to go and give it some permissions there in order to go and access your account. What's super key is you go and switch on contacts. And then what you want to do is go and press keep on my iPhone to keep your existing ones, of course. You don't want to delete them. And then you can go and choose if you want these other options. So in this case, I don't want mail and I don't want calendars. Then what we can do is go and press save in the top right like this. And that's it. The account's now added. You can go down and press fetch new data and switch on push and automatic. So if a new contact gets added to your Google and Gmail account, it'll then come onto your iPhone as well. Now what you want to do is come out of your settings and you can swipe across and go and find contacts and you'll go and see your Gmail contacts are now here. If you go and press the back button in the top left, you can go and see iPhone and then Gmail. But if you press all at the top, you can see them all together. You can search through them and that's it. It's that simple. You've successfully imported them. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more on the channel we can go and help you out with as well. So feel free to go and check it out. I look forward to help you again in the next how-to.